Wednesday, August 5th, 2026. The time is 16:17. The temperature is 78 degrees. I-70 West, Vail Pass Summit. We've got right lane closures. Traffic's not too bad, but slower moving vehicles can cause up to 20-minute delays. Normally it's only 5 to 10-minute delays, but let's go take a look and see how traffic is today. I noticed just coming out of Frisco that it wasn't as heavy as it has been. So that's a good thing if you're traveling. I think the lane closures usually open back up after 7 p.m. sometime. Let's go take a look at the rest of the pass. Okay, we've got some big trucks up here today. Speeds are down to about 32 miles an hour. There's a vehicle overheating there. Looks like a tow truck. This is vehicle fire season. Hey, the lane